guys, we are currently at Gatwick South Terminal, and this is where this video starts. I am about to do the craziest thing since starting social media, and I'm going to Morocco to diagnose a car. So yeah, you heard it right, I'm going from London to Morocco to actually diagnose a car. I have my equipment with me right now. I'm just about to meet Yassine from OLY. Big shout out to OLY. Obviously, ever since starting my social media journey, they helped me elevate to another level, and just yeah, because of them this opportunity has been created. So guys, I'm gonna put their socials here now, OLY agency. But now I'm trying to find Yassine. He said he's in a waiting area somewhere, and I believe I'm already in the wrong place, because when I come back to London I come out of there, so that's the exit. So now I need to go somewhere else. But yeah guys, you lot are gonna come with me on this journey. It's insane. 2 days, 48 hours in Morocco. Let's see what we can get done. Let's see how, hopefully, inshallah, we get this this car resolved. Very good customer of mine. The backstory obviously we'll get into later on in the video, but you see guys, one important thing I'll let you know, yeah, when you run an honest business and people trust you, they're willing to do anything just to get your services, just to make sure that, you know, they're getting an honest opinion on whatever they're doing, especially when it comes to car repairs. Because as we know, there's a big stigma that out there, mechanics are rip-offs, mechanics are this, mechanics are that. That's why I'm here to change the game. But yeah guys, let's go and find Yassine now. Guys, we have found Yassine. Assalamu alaikum. We're saying,
good. Are you vlogging already?
Yeah, ready from the beginning, bro. We started.
I'm holding the camera for him.
Yeah, now
he's holding the camera for me.
How the tables have turned. Alhamdulillah, first thing we're doing, find our prayer room, just get our prayers done, and then we're gonna go and check in. But yeah guys, so guys, we've checked in. It's actually happening. We are heading off to Morocco. Should be there in a few hours, and we're gonna do our diagnostic, which is gonna be actually tomorrow morning. So we've got a bit of chilling to do when we get to the hotel tonight. We're just gonna relax. But yeah guys, we got Yassine here.
What's up guys? Little drug juice, pain will lead on through the juice.
Yeah.
Tell them the real story about what you're doing tonight.
So the actual real story is we are definitely going to yeah. But yeah guys, let's see how this goes. It's going to be something exciting, obviously, that I'm doing. Like I said,
have you ever done this before?
Never, nothing like this.
The first time someone's flown you to fix a car?
Yeah, first time ever. And I would never thought, when I started mechanics like 15 years ago, I would have never thought an opportunity like this would come. But like I said at the beginning of the video, like social media world is crazy. Like when you start investing into doing social media marketing and stuff like that, it brings opportunities that's insane. Like I've been on channel 4 with it, and obviously, like I said at the beginning of the video, it's all down to OLY's strategy and how they went about doing the whole marketing side. It's easy for someone just to pick up a camera.
Nice. It's just a pretty face, that's it. We don't do anything.
It's not. There is always, as much as you guys see the videos, and I never say it on social media, but you guys see the videos and, oh, that's our drinks, but Yassine's gonna get them. You guys see the videos, but like there's so much thought that comes behind it, and everything is calculated when we're doing the videos, what we're doing in the videos, the structures of the videos, everything. So yeah, Yassine just put me onto this protein shake.
Try it.
This.
How is it?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, it's
that's
10,
solid.
10, isn't it?
That's solid.
10-10. It's
That is
definitely
solid.
not healthy. It just tastes like sugar, but it's so good.
That is nice. What's it called? Berry?
Beets and berries.
Beets and berries. Nice.
Strawberry, beetroot powder,
Yeah.
banana, collagen,
Yeah.
protein. It actually is healthy.
Yeah.
It just tastes so good.
Nice. But yeah guys, so anyway, next bit we are going to be in Morocco, and then the actual vlog starts from there. The real vlog starts from there. But yeah, guys, peace out. See you in a bit. Can't lie, guys. We started off rocky. I think the pilot's just reversed onto the patch. That's not supposed to happen. After 3 hours of traveling and spending €6 on water, if you're an airline out there and you don't charge for water, big up yourself. Finally made it. Landed. We're about to head into the terminal and get ourselves checked into our hotel. Yeah, then tomorrow the big business begins. Ready in a different country, diagnosing cars.
Hold it for you better.
Huh?
I'll hold it for you better. What's up?
So guys, day 2 in Tangier. Right now, just having a spot of breakfast. Yassine, here with me. We're just waiting for my guy to come down, and then we're gonna go and check this car out, see what we can get done, and yeah, diagnose it. He's already briefed me on a couple of things, which I think I know where I'm leading to at the moment and what it's gonna be. Very commonly on Audis, the car we're actually checking is an Audi Q5. But I'm gonna confirm that with my machine first, and then probably have to go parts hunting, man. Hopefully we can find parts today, but because he's got to drive the car back to London from Tangier, so he's got to go Tangier, Spain, drive it all the way back to London. So we need to make sure this car is 100% properly repaired before we leave here. So yeah, let's see how it goes, guys.
And we go from there.
Day 2, and we go from there.
And we go from there. 3, 2, 1.
So we got the Q5. I haven't been vlogging because I've been obviously hard at work trying to diagnose this car. Now we stripped it down. It's got 2 issues. Obviously it's got a power loss issue, and there was another code coming up. Now the first code that was coming up is to do with the charge pressure cooling pump. So this cools down the air that goes through the charge cooler, the intercooler. So we're just trying to find, it's obviously seized inside. We tested it. We're trying to find a part for this. And also the second part, the loss of power, we have an issue with the solenoid because we had the turbo under boost code, and this solenoid, this deviating solenoid obviously not working properly. We put a 12 volt to it to test it, and yeah, it's not working, so we need to find one of these. Obviously we're in Morocco at the moment, similar to many places in North Africa. When you got a car like this, it is a British car obviously, but when you got a car like this, it's hard to get parts, so we're trying to exploit every option. This car's coming back to London on Monday, so it's against time. We are what now, Saturday weekend. Might be a bit difficult, but guys, hey, this is crazy, you know. It's so mad. I'm actually in Morocco, like actually diagnosing a car, checking it, and then trying to get the job done and finishing it off. This is insane. Like, shout out to LA agency, bro. Shout out yourself. Big up yourself.
OLY Autos.
Big up yourself. Yes, it's crazy, man. Yeah, this customer, I'll give you a little bit of a background as well. This customer actually came in through social media. And I done work for him in London on his cars. Obviously, he's moved out to Morocco, bought his car down here as well, and it's going back to London now. And this has happened. He said he was actually on the way back to London. He got to the port by the borders, obviously in Tanja in Spain, and the car just lost power on the motorway. So he called me. He goes, look, I trust you. You done work on my car before. And I'll trust your judgment. So can you bring your machine? I'll get you a ticket. Come out to Morocco and try to diagnose it. So here we are, man. This is serious. It's crazy. And if it wasn't for social media, like I would have never done this. Like it's so crazy. But yeah, next time you're thinking about getting on social media for your business, yeah. First of all, this is what you do. You do it. Number one. Number two, you DM LA agency. Again, they're here, yeah. And yeah,
شكرا خويا شكرا
ما كانش مشكل. And then you speak to them and they'll get the strategy for your business. They'll get everything. Like bearing in mind when they came into obviously do it with me, we didn't have no plan, because even I didn't know what we was doing. I didn't know how the content was going to be. I didn't know, but obviously they came up with the strategies, and then we just started recording and we built it like crazy, man, to the point where you get onto Channel 4, you get to do different things. Now I get to travel the world and diagnose cars. Where am I to next? You know, I never know. I might be going to Argentina, I could be Brazil, I could be, you know what I mean? Pay for my ticket, bro. I come diagnose your car for free. I'm joking, not for free. I'm getting paid, bro. I'm getting paid. Yeah. So guys, the car is done. It's running. Thank you to Marwan, and thank you to Aladdin as well. They got the car sorted out. Obviously, we done the diagnostic part as well with them. Car's ready to go, so it's heading off now to inshallah on Monday, heading off through Spain, back to London, back to the UK, obviously. Guys, very important message. Be honest, do honest work, and obviously opportunities will land at you from anywhere in the world. You could be anywhere in the world, and that's the best thing. Trust is the best thing that you can have. But yeah, guys, thank you very much. Oh yeah, subhanallah, subhanallah. Yeah, so obviously he's coming to work. His mum passed away a couple of days ago. Make sure everyone make dua, inshallah. Allah bless her, and obviously grants her Jannatul Firdaus.
Ameen.
And Ameen, inshallah. And yeah, obviously tough situation, but alhamdulillah he's here to help us today, and it's very important. So thank you very much, Marwan. Allah big saha. Thank you. And yeah, guys, job's done, so we're happy. Now it's time to have fun now. Let's just get in this car, go and drive around, test it. We're gonna go have fun and finish our day in Morocco. 48 hours. What do we have left in the scene? Like
12 hours.
12 hours. We've got 12 hours. So we've got to get packing as much as we can, 12 hours. We're going to watch the Arsenal game as well. Hopefully we get the win today, get the 3 points, it'll be a perfect day. Go get some good food. And yeah, bang guys. So guys, and that is our job done in Tanja, Morocco. Guys, lots more content like this coming. Make sure you're subscribed so that the notification comes up. Press the notification, like the video, share it, and yeah, soon enough we'll have a lot more content coming. But yeah, that is our job done in Tanja. Back to London now and sort out all our other things that we need to sort out, a million other things, but that's life of a business owner. But what can you do? Guys,